McPherson from the agency, and I cannot wait to show you what 276 Limestone Creek Road in Adelaide Park has to offer. Let's head on in and have a look.
In this moment, yes, I cannot say what's wrong.
What I love most about this characteristic home has to be the way it's custom built to incorporate the view.
'Cause I'm addicted to the good life. Yes. Yeah. Lead the way, I follow. No need to say no.
The generous master bedroom is situated by itself at the opposite end of the home. I absolutely love this for privacy and space. And ensuite with dual basins and bathtub and functional walk-in robe.
So tell your good lies, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah.
So there you have it for 276 Limestone Creek Road in Adelaide Park. Situated on over 37 acres of lifestyle land with panoramic ocean views. If you'd like to own your piece of Capricorn Coast paradise, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.